local train. The next stop is Nest Village Point. This is Nest Village Point.
Transfer is available for the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 111th Street. This is 111th Street.
Transfer is available for the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 103rd Street, Queensboro Plaza. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Junction Boulevard. This is Junction Boulevard.
Transfer is available to the Q72 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 74th Street, Broadway. This is 74th Street, Broadway. Transfer to the Q93 select bus service. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 59th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Woodstock, 61st Street. This is Woodstock, 61st Street. Transfer to the Q3 select bus service. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 52nd Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 46th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 40th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 33rd Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is Queensboro Plaza.
Transfer is available and train.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.